Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Odyssey with me. Right now I am in my room. So after 2 days I again came back in front of you to practice my speaking English. Last couple of days I didn't make any kind of video, so that's why it's not good for me not making video because it will reduce my English fluency. So right now you are hearing some sound from outside because some younger football player, they're playing football. That's why they're doing crowding. Okay, so that's why you are hearing the sound in this video. Okay, so every day I am trying to improve my speaking English to talking to others. Okay, because last few days my all friend they visited their house. That's why I don't have any partner to practice speaking English. Okay, but don't need to partner because if you have a mobile phone is your partner. Mobile phone is your practicing partner, so you can practice with mobile phone because whenever you will make videos it will practice. Okay, so you don't need to other people. And also my some friend in the messenger, they always talk to me in the messenger group, so it also practice every day. But I didn't in kind make video to improve my speaking English for last 2 days. Okay, so I mentioned you last video that I am having problem with my passport information. Okay, my passport from I did few days ago. That time I made a mistake because I don't have any similarity. I don't have similarity with my father's names and my certificate's name. My father's name in the certificate is MD Mahabub Alam, but I my father's ID card have MD Mahbub Alam. So it was having difficulty for me, and but last 3 days I am going to the passport office to rectify this. But they told me that you everything I need because I didn't write anything. I didn't write something with my NID card because I have given my present address in Dhaka, but in my NID my present address is my village. So that's why it caught the problem. So that's why I am having problem with this. Okay, they are also provided me the again date. It's on 15th May I have to go again to make fingerprint and making fake. So that's why it's very boring, I think, because in Dhaka passport office have very crowding because lots of people come here to make their passport. That's why they have to wait in the line. They maintain the big line. Okay, so it was very boring, I think. Okay, so one sir told me that you have to come here after dawn prayer. Okay, so that you catch everything so early. Okay, so I shared with you in this video my activities, what I did, what I do every day. So I will come again in front of you with another new video. Till then, goodbye.